Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the ocean sunfish in Heartopia. So this fish will look like this, and I think it's a unique fish that has a big body like this with the unique patterns and unique colors like this. And to get this fish, you must go to the sea, and this fish only spawns from the midnight until midday, so make sure you go to the sea at the right time. And for the weather, this fish spawns at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow, so just go to the sea, this area. Before I caught this fish at this area, you can just go to this area at the midnight until midday and just fish at here until you catch this fish. And you can also use the fish attractor or mermaid perfume to increase your chance to get this fish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.